Hello everybody. We have a box on the bench. If there's a box on the bench, who's on the box? Cotty. She's on the box. She wants cookies. Do you want cookies? Should we give Cotty cookies? Press the like button and we'll give her cookies. Okay, we'll give her cookies. Even though half you didn't like it. So, we'll give her cookies. You can watch her eat some cookies. If you comment, I'll give her more cookies. Okay, I've ordered from this company many times on eBay. They've always done me well. So let's see what's in the box. Can you get down? Can we open this? I don't think she's gonna let me. I'm gonna have to put you on the floor. Okay. Okay. Well, this is the way the box was received, guys. It's a pretty good sized box. 2014-6. Nothing rattles. This company has always done really, really well boxing things up. So they're fast scrap on eBay. I will link their store in the description. This is not sponsored content. They don't give me no discounts, no specials. I just bid and win. Sometimes I'll make an offer and sometimes they accept it, sometimes they don't. So this, I believe, was a bid. So I just bid my max and went to bed. So what do we have here? Oh no, we got packing popcorn. Oh no, first time they've done that. But you know what? They always pack proper. This is the proper way to pack test equipment. Oh, I just gave it away, didn't I? Okay, let's dig through this. Make sure we got everything. Nothing lost in the popcorn. Okay. Well, somebody is going to be getting packing popcorn. I like to get rid of it quick. I don't like that stuff hanging around. What's that? What's in here? She's looking at me like, I want cookies. Okay. I'm going to assume somebody liked, so she gets a couple cookies. So, yes, so this is more test equipment. I figured I have cables coming in after this batch, and I need multiple of these to do what I need to do quickly. So, look at this packing. This is the proper way to pack an item. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? Look how they pack this. This is just, compared to the last one, I'll link that, how not to pack test equipment, in the description. You know, they could have done some disassembly and make it a little easier, but look at this. This is beautiful packing. Thank you, Fast Scrap, for getting things sent to me. I can't tell if this is working or not because the company now wants you to send in a picture of the bottom of it for the serial number to get you the file so that it'll work. So I will have to give them the serial number, and they'll run their due diligence and make sure the ownership transfers over, and I can get the file to be able to operate it. But check this out. The only reason why I wanted this one is it came with these. I almost dropped that. That would have sucked. That's in really nice condition. Calibration sticker. Last calibrated 2015. This is in, looks much better than the photos looked on eBay. But it's these right here. The CB26Us USB Type Cs for checking USB-C to C. So I could probably use another adapter. Let me grab one here. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna have to figure it out. One of these. It's got a USB-A right there. So I could probably drop a USB-A on there and test USB-A to USB-C. I don't know yet. I will. I'll give it a try. If it works, it works. Then I've got a couple of these from other units. So if that'll work, then I can have like 3 units and I can do all my USB cable testing on 3 units. That'd be awesome. I didn't think one of these CableEyes here would be as useful as they've been, but they've been very, very useful. Cami research, not right to repair friendly. I did have one that had an error. I sent the error code in, and with a little bit of pressure, they sent me the chip that was bad, that the error code was pointing to. I replaced that chip and it worked. But they still won't provide the schematics and stuff for right to repair, so I have to follow through with that, and I am following through with that. I've just been busy with Washington State passing, me going up to the Capitol, then a couple trade shows, deaths in the family. It's just been busy. So I will get my calibration file and file for the software, and we'll light this thing up and see if it works. I can actually power it up. I can and plug it into the computer and see if it detects. Okay, we're powered on. I need to get a longer power cable. It hooks up to the computer. So, oh, Cotty wants cookies. We're gonna get Cotty cookies. So that's the way you pack test equipment.